you have now created a catalog of your products. For some businesses, it is important that the stock of the products be managed. In this video, we will learn why stock management is important and how we can manage the stock of products which we sell. We will also learn how to add warnings on low stock and about expiry date of a batch of product. Managing stock is important to avoid a situation where a product is out of stock, but a customer wants the same product. This results in loss of sales and thus reduced profits. Further, the customer may reach out to your competitor and you may lose that customer forever. Hence, as an astute entrepreneur, you should track which items are running out of stock. With proper inventory management, you can have more satisfied customers and you can mostly service your customers' order. Another reason managing stock is important is because some products have an expiry date. Expiration of products can result in loss for you. By knowing which products are about to expire, over time you can get an idea whether you are procuring too much of that product and hence procure or make only how much you are able to sell. This way you can reduce waste. Designing a catalog is a prerequisite for inventory management. We have covered this topic in the video on creating a catalog and sharing it. Press the catalog icon on the bottom of your main or home page. Select the Goods tab. Select the product whose stock you are planning to manage and then press Edit Details. It opens Edit Goods dialog box. Click on Show Additional Settings and choose Yes for Is Stock Management Required? Question and press Save. For perishable products like food, etc., you may like to keep track of expiry date. Select the product whose expiry date is to be tracked. Press on Show Additional Settings tab. Answer Yes to show warning when stock is about to expire. A box will appear below. Enter duration after which a warning will be shown that stock of the product is about to expire and press Save. Repeat this exercise for all products whose stock you want to manage. At this point, you have marked all products that need stock management. There is a chance that you may exhaust few of your packages and you may not get time to replace the stock of these popular packages in time. So you want to have a low stock warning popped up on home screen when available quantity reaches this level. MeraBills allows you to set the quantity at which it will generate a warning for the package. This gives you enough time to replenish the stock of a given package. Now you will learn how to enable low stock warnings for your packages. Click on a package for a given product or good whose stock management is enabled. Choose a package and click on Edit Details. This opens the Edit Package screen. Here you can select Yes for low stock warnings and enter the quantity below which MeraBills should generate a low stock warning notification on home screen. Now go back to catalog page and press on Manage Stock button at the bottom of the screen. It opens a list of all product package combinations. You can enter the existing stock of these products and press Save. Subsequently, you must generate itemized invoices for every sale. Thus, after every sale transaction, MeraBills automatically updates the final stock of each of the products. This step is critical if you want to have up-to-date knowledge on stock available with you. In this video, we learned why stock management is important and how we can manage stock of products which we sell. We also learned how to add warnings on low stock and about expiry date of a batch of product. Trust you found this video useful.